The Madhya Pradesh High Court took suo motu action and directed the police to register an FIR against BJP leader and State Minister Kunvar Vijay Shah for making derogatory remarks against Indian Army officer Colonel Sophia Qureshi on May 14th. The court strongly condemned Shah's statement, calling Colonel Qureshi a sister of terrorist, describing the language as disparaging, dangerous, and from the gutters. A division bench of Justices Atul Sridharan and Anuradha Shukla held that Shah's comment not only insulted Colonel Qureshi but also demeaned the armed forces as a whole. The court said his statement had the potential to endanger national unity and create communal disharmony. The bench found prima facie offences under sections 152, 196 section 1b and 197 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. These provisions relate to actions that threaten India's sovereignty, disturb religious harmony, and promote enmity between communities. The court noted that Shah's remark, made in reference to Colonel Qureshi's role in Operation Sindoor against Pakistani terrorist camps, wrongly implied that she had links to terrorists simply because of her religion. It warned that such statements could deepen social divisions and insult the contributions of Muslim officers in the armed forces. Directing immediate action, the court ordered the Director General of Police to register the FIR by the evening of May 14th. Any failure to comply would invite contempt proceedings. The Advocate General requested more time, but the court refused. The matter is scheduled for further hearing on May 15th.